Okay, so this keyboard is so awesome. I love it. In my opinion, it sounds great, and I genuinely love it. I watched hundreds of reviews on it, and you know why I wanted to switch as soon as possible? I have been using a 5-year-old HyperX Alloy Origins, and it's actually a bit annoying, dude. It has ABS keycaps, unlike this one, which wore off really quickly, and they were like, they are so oily and annoying to use. These PBT double shot keycaps feel like heaven. These have a special texture that prevents them from, well, shining a lot. You know how to explain it? Basically not gonna be shiny for a long time, and they're more durable. So in IQ, Corsair IQ, you can get your keyboard to 8K polling, and in my opinion, I really like it. I love this keyboard. I watched so much reviews, and it's completely worth it. So I wanna just say my honest opinions about this keyboard. It's really good. Its design is good. It feels good. The metal-like texture is amazing. This button, the volume wheel, is the best feeling thing ever. I can rub my finger on it for days. Also made some profiles that I can switch with this button. It's really nice. Screen has a really nice decorative touch. People were like arguing that it's useless, and why did I add it? But in my opinion, I love it. Dude, it adds a lot to the keyboard. It's really small but pretty hefty, you know, heavy. Sounds pretty great. I got mine with Mx OPX switches. Those are optical switches that have 1mm actuation point. Got mine with the North American layout. In my opinion, it's the best layout you can get. And well, it's really easy to use the software. I think everything is pretty like understandable about it, and I love it. I love this keyboard.